Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the cells to change. Make sure the source values are numeric or text. Once selected, press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells and pick Custom. Enter a format like 0000 to force 4 digits or use placeholders for alignment. This tells Excel to display leading zeros without changing underlying values. Make sure to apply to the correct range, because formatting doesn't alter cell content, only presentation. If you need to convert results later, copy and paste values. Now use formulas when you need real text output. You can apply equals text, A1, 0000, to convert numbers to 4-digit text, which is ideal for exports. Alternatively, build padding with equals rept, 0, forlen, A1, and A1. This gives control when lengths vary. Make sure to wrap with trim or value if mixing formats. Once done, fill down the column and convert formula results to values when you're finished. This preserves leading zeros in systems that don't respect formatting alone. Finish by converting any formula outputs to static values. Copy the column, then paste special right arrow values. This locks in the leading zeros for external use. Make sure downstream systems accept text. Some import strip formatting if treated as numbers. If leading zeros disappear, switch the column format to text before pasting, or reapply equals text to guarantee preservation. One troubleshooting tip: if zeros vanish on save or export, inspect the receiving system's field type. Change it to text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.